Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing that I received from a giveaway held by Splice Sets. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I apologize for the white noise, you guys. I do have the AC running, so let's get into this unboxing. Splice Sets, if you do not know her, go ahead and check her out. Leave her link in the description box below. She held her 750 subscriber giveaway, which I have won, and I am just so lucky and honored that I did. I didn't expect it, and if you already have subscribed to her channel, she's shown some of the stuff that she was putting in her giveaway. My memory is short, so I do not remember any of this. I remember seeing some of these items. I was gonna just open it on my own, but I left it intact in the box because I saw that they had those little cute hearts in there and all this pink bubble wrap, and and obviously this pink popcorn, and I just had to just open it for you guys. These are so cute, and I didn't even want to take it apart. But yeah, so I would like to say I was following Sandra, I want to say before 500 subscribers, I feel. Maybe around the 300, 400, and she just catapulted. I mean, she is the Miss Congeniality of our community, and I really appreciate her being part of my YouTube family. And so, you know, just watching her content is a complete joy. She's such a sweet person, and I love her unboxings, period. There was a moment in time where I was not allowed to buy anything, and so I always loved watching unboxings, and she does a lot of them, and she gets all this really cool stuff that I've actually been looking at, eyeing. You know, I haven't tried that much out there in terms of brand names, and I get to see a lot of stuff through her channel, so I think that's really great. Hello. So I'm just gonna show you guys like all the little bits in this box. This was a decently sized box. I feel like this was just way too much for a 750 subscriber giveaway, but she's just so generous, it's insane. But yeah, this right here, one of my favorite new colors. This is actually, if you have not seen my boxing of a giveaway I did for the Nail Genie SC, I had this clamshell that held a charm for her, and I covered it in that color spray, that color glitter, but it was a spray. But anyway, so I got these really cute glitters. I love glitters, as we all know. So I am now confused. It's like a double-edged sword. I love to get stuff, but the more you have, the harder it is to design something. So as I'm opening this up, I'm like, oh my god, look what I got. And it's like, oh no, what am I gonna do? I have so many ideas now, and it's all running through my head, and I have no idea. I think the best bet is the Night at the Improv episodes, because it kind of forces me to think outside the box. So I think I'll be able to use some of this stuff there, but we'll see. So yeah, I am loving these glitters so much. Don't mind me, I'm having a cup of coffee. But anyway, this is a very informal video. So I thought these were cute. These remind me of like the baubles that you hang on a tree for Christmas. So I'm gonna be able to, actually what she gave in this box, I have a lot of Christmas ideas now. Christmas designs are a little iffy for me because it's like you could always do the same thing, but now I feel like you could do the same thing and just give it a little twist. So you'll see what I'm talking about later further into this box. But yeah, so I'm just going to be, and it's well packaged too. She bubble wrapped a lot of the liquid contents, or the breakable, so like you know, nothing here was leaking or spilling or anything like that. So that was just a lot of work. I gotta step up my giveaway game because I just stick that stuff in a box. Like, well, to be honest, I think my official giveaways, not my 100, because that was my first one ever, and I feel like that wasn't the best one, but like my 500 subscriber giveaway, I just bought stuff. Like, I would just go on a website and just buy things, because I'm not very well at this whole giveaway thing. So anyway, this guy here, I have lavender lotion from Aveeno, and lavender is such a very good scent to have in your home. I'm glad she put that in there because I need a lot of soothing. I mean, not anymore. I had a lot of stress over the summer and I really dialed it down for a few months there. So this, you guys, this is a Prey full cover soft gel tips. These are not cheap at all, and I'm just like, what? I've been meaning to get these. I get Gelish soft gel tips, and those are expensive as well, but these guys are also expensive, and I just can't like keep getting super expensive tips. So they're like in my cart, and I just have never purchased them. So how funny is that? And it's in my coffin shape. So look at that. Now I don't have to get it. Thank you so much, Sandra. More of the coffee. I just love hazelnut coffee. Like, I missed it this morning, and I was like, I have to make it. I was on a coffee break for a few months there, and now I have a small window that I can have regular food again and coffee. So I'm drinking coffee for a little bit until I have to turn it off next month. But coffee's so good, and hazelnut coffee's so good. But here's more lavender stuff. This is like a body wash. This is super great. I love body washes. I mean, I usually get everything Aveeno, but Aveeno at the store, I mean, I think I have to go to like a Target, but I normally just go shopping at a grocery store, and they have the regular scent. But now this one here is like a lavender scent, and it'll go very well with my lotion that I mentioned earlier. Holy Glitter City. Okay, as you know, I love my glitters, and there's more glitters. And what's so cool about this, they're all the same like white clear color with the iridescent sheen, but they have like different shapes. So this one's hexagon, this one's like a star snowflake shape. Oh, this is different from the mix, but still beautiful. It's a mix of like pinks, and I like when they're chunky and like all different. This is like dinosaur ones. How cute. Or like duck feet. I don't know. And this I saw this, I was like, ooh, I've got an encapsulated design in my head right now. So I might do something like that. And this one as well. I love geometric shapes. It might be the architect in me, but I am just so lucky that I got this box. You have no idea. I mean, it's so funny because like I just had a horrible like last week with some news I heard. Not for me, for a change, but like it's still not good. But like, so getting this box definitely lifted my spirits. So thank you, Sandra, again. This is a drill, which is so funny. I have a Melody Susie drill. I forget which one I have, but I've had it for a few years now, and it's one of the best drills. I mean, it's probably the only drill I've had, let's be real here, but it's one of the best drills. And the funny thing is, like, this, I've had, how many years? I don't know, 3, maybe 3 years, and that sucker's still going. The only problem is it doesn't reverse. Look who got a new drill. Listen, I will, I could very well go out and get stuff. I prefer not to have to justify my purchases, but at the same time, I'm about running things to the ground before I get something new. So look, I have a backup. I'm not going to even use it yet. I'm just going to use the one I have till it's like, it stops working. But anyway, these are, I guess, rhinestones. And I love this top side is iridescent. This bottom side is clear. As you know, I love my bling, my glitters, and all that jazz, so I'm really happy that I got that. But yeah, and buffers. We all need buffers. I love buffers. And I remember seeing this because I thought it was such a unique keychain. I used to collect very unique keychains, mostly board games and such. But this is the tiniest hand I've ever seen on a keychain. It's so funny. It makes me want to like do polygel nails on it and then rock it on my keychain and then switch it up every now and then. But anywho, yeah, it has these cute flowers with the caviar beads, and I love the packaging. Like, everything is just so cute, but I don't expect, I mean, it's what you expect from Sandra. I mean, she does not only cute designs, like, I think everything that she does is, like, super cute. And you know what, I'm just gonna say it, like, it seems like if you asked her to plan, like, an event, and she could maybe, chime in if she wants, but I'm sure if she planned an event, it would be like perfect to the T. It would be so cute, so detailed. But anywho, more bling. Love it. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. It's like going into a ball pit and just like jumping in and being like, all right, what am I gonna do? Swim around and stuff. I don't know. These are kawaii charms, and I dabble in them every now and then. Like, if I put something that big, I want it to be like a rhinestone, but I started doing these kawaii charms. Like, it's a very rare thing. I've probably only done like 3 sets or something like that, but that's like a variety pack there. I could probably do a lot with them, so it'd be fun to venture out and see what I can do with them. So I saw this I remember seeing this in one of her videos, and I've only used a cart once from another giveaway that I won, but I like their stuff. Their polygel's pretty nice and firm. I used my slip. Yeah, I think I just ended up using my own slip, but I do like their polygel consistency. I feel like their quality is quite good. But yeah, this thing is very cute. It comes with a lot of stuff. It's got 4 colors that are just so up my alley. They're all glitter, and it comes with a file, a brush, top coat, base coat. I mean, I am stocked. This is just, I mean, a blessing. Oh yeah, and I forgot, it comes with dual forms. Well, y'all know how like I did with those if you saw that video, but I could try them again. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, it might be different. I think when I did dual forms, I did it with Model 1s, and their polygel is just too gooey for my taste. Or was it Beetles? I think it was Beetles. It got better with Beetles. I did do it with Model 1s, and it sucked. Beetles was a lot better, and like I said, the Macart polygel was a lot firmer, so I think it would be good doing dual forms with that. I use a bunch of these tweezers. I go through, and I don't go through them because I don't really replace them, but I have a number of them open, more hearts, open, lying around, and I use it for all my weird things that I do. So I got more foils. I am venturing into foils now. I got that Macart nail foil glue, and now I have some more foils, and these are Christmas foils. So like I said, now I'm getting all these ideas in my head to do Christmas sets. I mean, my challenge, if you didn't see it, I think it was last year, I did like a lot of designs every day on just like 2 nails, but it was such a challenge because I didn't know how I was gonna do Christmas designs, because I really, as nice as it is, I'm probably better off wrapping gifts than I am designing nails for Christmas. So yeah. And then the next packages that I'm opening are the Zule acrylics, and I saw her do these in a video. As we all know, I haven't ventured off into acrylics yet, but gosh darn it, the plan was I was gonna do it this year, because the Nail Genie SE gave me some, shoot, what brand was that? Was that Born Pretty? I don't remember what brand it was, but she gave me some acrylics, and I have some acrylics for myself by Hand and Nail Harmony, and I'm definitely gonna try it out, and I have to, because look what she got here. We've got some really pretty glitter acrylics that I want to crack open and use, and I have to learn how to do acrylics, because I mean, I do honestly think there's just so much more variety in acrylics than there is with polygel or hard gel or even gel polish, I feel, because I watch all your videos, and the ones that do acrylics, like, you always use these really fancy acrylics, and I'm just like, oh my goodness, like, I need to get into that stuff. I just have to figure out the whole smell thing, but I did buy drops, so I'm gonna have to, you know, incorporate that and see how that goes. But yeah, I got like these jars of beautiful acrylics. Thank you again, Sandra. I'm going to be saying this a million times over, because I'm just so grateful. And we got this beautiful orangey flaky. I mean, I just can't, like, I could never see that in a gel polish. I mean, maybe I just haven't been looking around, because I really don't look around. But whatever, I don't know. I still think that acrylics come in more variety of colors and textures than anything else. And Sets by Lene, like, I watch her videos, and this is her cuticle oil, I guess. So that's pretty neat. It's always cool to, like, you know, get stuff from other channels. I have to venture more into that. More rhinestones, and this is so funny because I just, like, I'm running out of red, so that's really cool. Everything has just been like the universe coming back at me in this box, I'm telling you. More hearts. I love those hearts, they're so cute. Brush wipes. Oh, I saw these in Susie's nail career education video, I think, or it was somebody else's. Was it Nails by Key? I don't know, but they look like some really bougie wipes that I'm like, I want, but I'm just gonna have to cart that for now. Got some cart tips, and it's been a while since I've had just like the tips. What are these called? Half cover, I guess they're calling it. I never knew what they were called, but yeah. So this is gonna be cool to use. Probably when I crack open the acrylic. Because whenever I use hard gel or polygel, I just use nail forms. It's been a long time since I've ever used any tip to do an extension. I just use nail forms. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much, Sandra from Sandra's Sparkly Sets. If you do not know her yet, please go ahead and check her out. I'll leave her link in the description box below. She is the person to know in your YouTube community. She's very helpful, and like I said, her content is just so entertaining. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is IsmsbyJBM. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again later this week. I have a couple more unboxings, as well as my Worldly Josieisms on Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll be there for the premiere. Thanks. Bye.